Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a user account, which is a non-admin account. In other words, a standard user account. And with a standard user account, you can do a few things. Um, you can, or more to the point, you can limit a few things. So if you've got somebody in your household that you don't want to have full access to your machine, and what I mean by that is you don't want to give them full administrative rights. In other words, that whoever uses a standard account will be able to log in under their name, change their desktop profile picture, go onto the internet, do their emails, all the standard stuff. That's why it's called a standard account. But what they won't be able to do is they won't be able to install things, anything that's slightly dodgy or various in any way. They won't be able to install things without the full admin access. So for example, if you've got kids in your household that you don't want to have them messing around with the whole of your system, or even access to the stuff in your account, then this is the way to do it. You may, for example, as I used to do when I was working in corporate, you may want to roll out some computers or some Macs to an office, in which case you wouldn't want to have all of your office workers with full admin access to your account. Believe me, you don't want to do that because that's going to cause you absolute mayhem. So this is how you add a non-admin, in other words, a standard account to your Mac. I've already got the little applet open, but I'm going to close this and I'm going to start afresh. So all you do is you click on the Apple logo and you go down to where it says System Preferences. If you're using Ventura or above, it will say System Settings, but anything prior to Ventura, it will say System Preferences, no matter what OS you are running at the moment. So you go and click on System Preferences, and here, excuse me, here you go and click where it says Users and Groups, right here. Your icon may look different to this one. It doesn't matter. And also the icon on your screen may not be here. Yours may be down here, for example, if you have an older OS. It doesn't matter. Look for where it says users and groups. If you're unsure, if you can't see it in the search bar, just start typing users and groups. And if you look, it will highlight it there for you there. So we're going to go and click on users and groups. Now, you'll be doing this as the admin of your computer. You'll need to go and unlock this as admin to get it to work. So click on the little padlock icon, type in your password, hit return, or click on OK, unlock. And at this point now, that's unlocked it. So all we have to do now is go and click on the plus icon. And by default, it's a standard account. There are other accounts. I'm going to get into the other types of accounts, sharing and group accounts, at a later point in another video. But for now, we want to go with the standard, which is called standard account. And I'm going to just call this one test std account for now. You don't need to click in here. By default, it will abbreviate this and make an account name. You're not worried about that. That's just what the system's going to call it. You're going to come down to where it says password. And if you look there, look, it's already put it in standard account and taken all of the caps and the spaces out, which is what it's supposed to do. Now here, you're going to put a password in. I'm just going to put 12345. I'm going to verify my password 12345. Please don't use a password of 12345. This is for demonstration purposes only. Please go and use a password which you can share with the person that's going to be using their account, something that's fairly memorable for you and or them to remember. But try and have a couple of at least one capital letter and another something else in it, like a star or a dash or a pound sign or an @ sign or something, if you possibly can. But again, it's only a standard account, so there's not much you can do wrong with this account. Once you've done that, you click on create account. And if you watch in here, it goes and puts in the standard account. And from this point, you can go and reset the password. You might not want to do that. You can go and reset the the icon. You can go and put in any icon you want from your photos, emojis, whatever you like. I can't be bothered, so I'm going to leave that as it is. And then when you log out of your system, so you can click on the Apple logo and you can go and log out of your system. When you log out of your system, which I'm not going to do now, because if I do that, it will end the video recording. It will then present you with the login screen, and on your new login screen, you will have your whatever accounts you've got listed in here, including the new one that you made, listed, and you just go and type in your password and log in. It will go through and it will take you initially. It will take you through a bit of a questions and answers thing where it asks you if you want to share data with Apple. I always say no. It asks you if you want to have Siri on. I always say no. I pretty much say no to everything, to be honest with you. And then you are into the account. So there you go. That's how to make a non-standard lockdown account on your machine for whoever it is you want to give access to that account. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and if you click the bell icon and so you get notifications, you will know when I post my next video, which will probably be tomorrow. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.